Kate here with WTI, and this generous sized tote bag is from Makukke. If you're looking for something that can be worn daily or is fantastic as an overnight bag, you have to check out this beautiful bag. The material is corduroy, so it has great texture, which I love. This one is the green, but they do come in different colors. It has a nice bold strap, so definitely a fashion statement right there, but it just adds a little pop of color. Gold hardware, there's a zippered compartment on the front, and the entire bag zips up. But what I really love is the little details. So there's this nice cross stitch across the back. The corners are tacked up. It just gives it a really stylish flair. This bag is really big, so you can put all of your daily essentials in here, but it also would fit a pair of clothes, or if you're going to the gym, you can throw your gym shoes in there and a water bottle. It's really spacious, so you can pack it with all sorts of things. The strap is adjustable, so you can wear it crossbody. That's generally how I like to wear my bags, but you can also shorten it up and wear it on one shoulder. The inside is a beautiful camel colored canvas, which is nice. And of course, there's extra pockets and zippers inside as well. So if you're looking for a bag that's stylish yet functional, definitely check this one out. And that's my point of view.